Namaskar YouTube, I'm Lucky Sam the Explorer and you're watching Cars Made in Africa. If you're not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button to be an official fan of this channel. Give this video a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, especially the link of this video or this channel. Share it with them so that they can enjoy the content I'm bringing to you. Okay, I'm so happy today because it's officially the episode 1 season 1 of Cars Made in Africa. Now I can't wait to share with you what I want to share with you, and I know you are really interested to know more about Cars Made in Africa. So I'm going to take you all to the West Africa, Ghana, which is my homeland, and I'm so happy to do this. I wish to sing the national anthem, but the video is going to be long, so let's get it here. So the name of the automobile company that we are going to talk about is Kantanka Automobile Company Limited, Ghana. Wow. You know, I've been trying to do a video on Kantanka Automobile. It's been a year now. I've been planning to do a video about Kantanka, and I'm so happy that I'm doing this, guys. Like, I'm really excited that I'm doing this. So please don't forget to hit the thumbs up, the like button, to motivate me to do more of this for you guys. Okay, so guys, welcome back. I'm Lucky Sam the Explorer and you're watching Cars Made in Africa. I'm so happy to talk about Kantanka Automobile Company, which is the first episode season 1 of Cars Made in Africa. So let me tell you a brief bio on Kantanka Automobile Company. Kantanka is a based, Ghanaian automotive company that designs, manufactures and assembles and sells cars. Yeah, that is basically it. That is what Kantanka Automobile does. They design, manufacture, assembles, and then they sell cars. And then its headquarters is in Ghana, West Africa, as I earlier said. And then Kantanka Automobile was established in the year 1994. By then, were you born? I wasn't born by then, I was not born, but here I am talking about it. And then it was established by Apostle Dr. Kojo Safo. Yes, he was once my headmaster. Yeah, let me tell you something. When I was young, in nursery, kindergarten, 1, 2, class 1, class 2, class 3, he has a school called Apostle Safo School of Art and Sciences, and then I attended that school. Yeah, it's in Awoshi, Accra, Awoshi. I'm going to put the spelling of the name on the screen so you can search it, and if you want to attend that school you can go. Like, it's really nice school. I attended that school. It's really good, and the automobile company is being owned by his son now. His name is Junior Kojo Safo. That guy is really, moving up with this company. Like, he's really rocketing the company. Like, I'm so happy about that. Let me give you the range of cars the Kantanka Automobile is into. Okay, Kantanka has so many cars he has manufactured, but I'm not going to give you all the list. We can talk about everything. At least I'm going to give you a 7 or 8 of the cars we are going to talk about, because I don't want this episode to be so long. Okay, and then the name of the cars are in the local dialects. Like, it's in Tree, which is in the local dialect. So I'm going to explain to you what it means in the later episode, like episode 2, episode 3. I'm going to explain to you. I'm going to take the cars one by one and break down everything for you. So let me give you the names and then the model. We have the Kantanka DX SUV. The picture is on the screen, you can check it out. We have the Kantanka Omama. You can check the picture out too. Tell me what you think about this car so far. Like, it's so crazy. And we have the Kantanka Onante 4. We have the Kantanka Otum 4. We have the Kantanka K71. We have the Kantanka Amonima. And we have the Kantanka Mensa. The Kantanka Mensa and the Kantanka Amonima and K71 is a common car. Like, everywhere you go, you will see the car. Like, it's really common in Ghana. But Onante 4, Nkunimdi, Otum 4, or Mama, it's not really common in Ghana like that. But people use it, but it's not really common. You guys, you can check the cars out. How do you see it? Like, it's so crazy. Just leave a comment in the comment section and tell me what you think about this cars. Like, it's really mind-blowing. Like, Africa is really moving to the world. And I'm liking Kojo Safo Kantanka, like Junior, the way he is, moving the company. Like, I'm so happy about it. Like, recently he released the Kantanka Amonima, which is the small car. Like, it's really crazy. I'm going to show you a video on the Amonima car. Like, I'm going to show you a video on that. Like, it's really crazy. It's really crazy. I don't want to talk much. Like, in this video, I want to give you a bio on Kantanka Automobile, like what Kantanka Automobile does. And recently, Kantanka Automobile is moving to Dubai to open a showroom there, and I'm so happy about that. So without wasting much time, I have a guest here with me. We're going to talk about Kantanka Automobile. Basically, what we're going to talk about is if Kantanka Automobile is being patronized in its country, Ghana, or in Africa as large. That's what we're going to talk about. So meet my guest. He goes by the name
Anthony Dazi.
Thank you for accepting my invite to make this video with me.
You're welcome.
Okay, so what we will be basically talking about is on Kantanka Automobile. I'll be asking him if Kantanka Automobile is being accepted in its country and Africa as large. I don't know how he's going to answer this question, but what do you think? What's your take on that?
Well, thank you very much. Hello everyone. I am someone who is into cars. I love cars, and he loves cars also. So that's why we are here to talk about Kantanka Automobiles. So for now, basically, people have started accepting the Kantanka cars in Ghana, and gradually it is moving its ways to other countries in Africa. Just like I've said, they are now in Liberia. They are starting with a showroom in Liberia, and then they are also looking forward to be in Dubai very soon this year. I think they'll be opening up a showroom in Dubai, and I think that they are also looking forward to be in Europe, and then they are starting with the country Norway. I think they are establishing a showroom in Norway as well. And so I would say that Kantanka is doing very well, and then as they have been accepted by countries, I think within the next 10 years, I think they'll be known worldwide as Kantanka Automobile. Just like we have the BMWs, the Benz, the Audis, the Rolls Royce, and then the likes.
Yeah. So what do you think? What of its country, like Ghana, as the people accepted it?
Well, with the country Ghana, initially, people have, accepted the Western tech more than that of the African, technology, because they believe more of the European tech. They think that it's more better than someone establishing, something in Africa or Ghana. But us, we are now in a global world. We are accepting new technologies from our own people, and I think Ghana is now buying into the ideas of Kantanka Automobiles, and they have started purchasing some of his smaller cars for some business works I mean, those who are into the Uber business, they are purchasing some of his cars for the Uber working. So gradually, people are buying into the idea. They are buying some of his cars, and I'm believing that in the near future, I think Kantanka will be known worldwide, and then it will be accepted. But it needs to start from somewhere. And
yes, it's true.
The Ghanaians have started, accepting the car. Now.
But I don't know if you're going to agree with me on this. Basically, or normally, it's really difficult for an African to accept a product, like to buy a product which is made in Africa. Like, let's say for instance, like let's use our country like Ghana. When Kantanka started, it was really difficult for people to accept his idea or his vision. Why is it so? Sometimes like it's really hard for our own African like people to accept what we are making in terms of technology.
Technology, I would say, that has been accepted by the Europeans. Everything good is said to come from Europe, and so with the African mindset, they think that anything from Europe is the best, and if anything is being manufactured from Africa, then it's some kind of inferior to some of the products from Europe. And now that people have started believing in themselves, and they've got to know that yes, we can also do something for ourselves. This is a time that we need to accept certain things that are being made in Africa, and then we ourselves get to market whatever that we do, accept it, and then the other world will also give us that respect as an African continent, and then try to buy into some of the products that is being produced.
I was very happy when I got to know like some celebrities in Ghana are purchasing Kantanka cars. Like I was very happy.
Of course, it's like, very necessary, because if a celebrity is taking the first step in purchasing something that is made by an African and a Ghanaian, then it will give the other people the signal that yes, this thing is very good for us, and we can patronize our own tech or our own personality who is doing something good for us as a Ghanaian and Africa. And actually, Kantanka is known as the star of Africa.
Because
he's doing an amazing job. And then I believe that we'll get to know and understand whatever that he's bringing.
And then guys, Kantanka is not only into cars also. He's also into
TV production.
Appliances,
air conditions.
I'm going to show you a video on some of his appliances that he has made. It's really mind-blowing. You're going to like it. So guys, we are going to end the video here, and then just keep watching. Episode 2 is coming very soon, and I can't wait to share with you so much. Like, I can't wait to share with you what I have researched here. Like, it's really interesting, guys. So episode 2, watch out. I'm going to talk about Kantanka Inkunimdie XUV. I wish later on in the episode I'll be able to communicate with the CEO himself. It's my prayer. It's my prayer. I wish to communicate with him so that he shares some knowledge with us. His experiences with us. So guys, watch out for episode 2 of Cars Made in Africa. I'll be talking about Kantanka Inkunimdie SUV. So watch out. Leave a comment in the comment section on what you think about the episode 1. This is a brief something that I want to talk about on Kantanka Automobile. So subscribe to this channel to make this video a #1 series on YouTube. I believe you guys, you're going to do it. And I'm Lucky Sam and he's Anthony. We out. Peace out.